Hello to everyone, my name is Iliia Riabko and I'm 11th grade student. My project is an advanced solution of impact of the microclimate factors on a person in confined space. The scientific project is devoted to the system of monitoring the microclimate of the interior during parking. To search for a device what is simple in design and cheap in the manufacture for monitoring the gas and thermal conditions in confined space. I analyzed the results of the research by Department of Meteorology and Climatology, University of California, San Jose, and came the following conclusions. The temperature inside the car changed very quickly. Therefore, the critical situations can happen suddenly. Imagine, in the period from 1998 in the USA, there are more than 900 annual cases of death of children. Half of this number are due to the car being left on a parking lot. The statistics of death of pets is much higher. These figures will only increase every year due to global climate change. So, the development of the system who can help to avoid these critical situations is urgent. The third stage of the development of the system is selection the sensors. So, I selected the sensors for measuring temperature and determined of three characteristics of sensors what are as close as possible to the characteristics of requirements. After I analyzed and selected sensors, I developed a block diagram and based on it, I developed a schematic circuit diagram, assembled, soldered, debugged all the electronic components of the device. To monitor the conditions of the sensors, I developed an online resource, what was created to inform and establish communication between the client and company. The site was written using PHP programming language and also using HTML and CSS. The resource is board for monitoring the status of sensors and sensors connected to this device. Data transfer for this device consists of three stages. The third stage is the reading of information and reading the status of sensors and information as single GET request. The second stage of the process is receiving the GET request and processing the data, assigning values to the variables in a MySQL database. The third stage is structuring the data and illustration as a table to clients. If there is no possibility to connect to the internet, and system provides to using a GSM module, which allows sending information about the status of sensors using text messages or calls. Conclusions. In this study, I analyzed and defined factors of negative impact to the physiologic state of the person. Create and tested and working prototype and system. The system is flexible and can be customized for each client.